Hello students, in previous video we have seen Runge-Kutta formula for second order. In this video we will see Runge-Kutta method, second Runge-Kutta method, method, or we can say formula of fourth order. That formula is y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 into k2 plus 2 into k3 plus k4. Okay. Where k1 is nothing but h into f of x0 y0. Okay. k2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. k3 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 upon 2, and k4 is h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Okay, this is the formula of Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. Okay, in the, what is that formula? Formula is y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4, where k1 is h into f of x0 comma y0, k2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2, k3 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2, and k4 is h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Okay students, keep in mind this formula. Now let us see one example based on the formula. Example is solve the initial value problem. Dy by dx. In previous video we have solved the example by using Runge-Kutta formula of second order. In this video we will solve this example by using Runge-Kutta formula of fourth order. Okay, with initial condition y of 0 is equal to 2 by Runge-Kutta formula of fourth order with h is equal to 0.1, and compute y of 0.1 and y of 0.2 correct to 4 decimal places. Okay. Solution. Here f of xy is y minus x. Okay, y of 0 is 2. Therefore, or we can say here also h is 0.1, y of y0, y of 0 is 2 means y0 is equals to 2 and x0 is 0. Okay, so we have to determine y of 0.1 and y of 0.2 by using Runge-Kutta formula of fourth order. Okay, we have a formula. That formula is y1 is equals to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 into k2 plus 2 into k3 plus k4. Okay, this is formula and we have to determine in this formula k1, k2, k3 and k4. Okay, find all k1, k2, k3, k4 and put in this formula. We will get y of 0.1. Okay. To determine or to compute, y of 0.1 by using Runge-Kutta formula of fourth order, that formula is y1 is equals to y0 plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 into k2 plus 2 into k3 plus k4. Okay, where what is k1 is h into f of x0 y0, k2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2, k3 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 upon 2 and k4 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Okay, this is formula of Runge-Kutta fourth order. Okay, here we have already written what is h is 0.1, y0 is 2, x0 is 0. Okay, so first of all we will find f of x0 comma y0. Okay, so what is f of xy is y minus x, so f of x0 y0 is y0 minus x0. Okay, what is y0 is 2 minus x0 is 0, which is equals to 2. So f of x0 y0 is, now to determine k1, k2, k3 and k4 as follows. Now to determine k1, k2, k3, k4 as follows. Okay, what is formula of k1 is h into f of x0 comma y0. Okay, it is very simple, students. You have to just remember the formula. What is h? H is 0.1. f of x0 y0 is 2, so this is 0.2. So we will get k1 is equals to 0.2. Now k2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. Okay, this is equal to h is 0.1 into f of, what is f of xy, y minus x, so here is, this is x and this is y, so this becomes y0 plus k1 upon 2 minus x0 minus h by 2. Okay, now put the values of h into, what is y0? Y0 is here 2 plus k1 is here what? K1 is 0.2. 0.2 upon 2 is 0.1 minus x0 is, here is 0 minus h by 2. H by 2 means 0.1 upon 2. It is 0.05. Okay, calculate this on calculator. We will get answer 0.205. 5. Okay, this is your answer. Now find out K3. What is that formula? Formula is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 k2 upon 2. Sorry, k2 upon 2. Okay, this is equals to, again h keep as it is, f of x0, or put h is equals to 0.1 here. F of xy is y minus x, so this become into y0 plus k2 upon 2 minus x0 minus h by 2. Okay, this is equals to 0.1. What is y0? Y0 is 2 plus k2 upon 2. What is k2? K2 is 0.205. So it is 0.1025 minus x0. x0 is 0 minus 0.05. Okay. Calculate this on calculator. We will get answer 0.2053. This is value of K3. Now find out K4. Formula is h into f of x0 plus h, comma y0 plus k. K3. Okay. Therefore, h is 0.1, f of xy is y minus x, this is x and this is y. So, y0 plus k3 minus x0 minus h, okay, which is equals to 0.1 into y0 plus k3. What is y0? Y0 is 2 plus k3 is 0.2053 minus 0 minus 0.1. H is 0.1. Okay, so this is equal to 0.21053. Okay, therefore our formula is y1. y1 means y of 0.1. Okay, y1 is, because here see here interval of differencing is 0.1. So in this case our x is lies between 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 0.1. That's why y1 is equals to y of 0.1 is equals to, what is y0 is here? 2 plus 1 by 6 into k1 is 0.2, k2 is 0.205 plus k3 is 0.2053 plus k4 is 0.21053. Okay, this is equals to 2.2052. This is the value of y1, and which is correct to the 4 decimal places. Okay, this is the value of y1. Now we have to find y of 0.2. Okay. To find y1, y2, we require y1. Okay. Next, to determine in next step write down y of 0.2. Note that I will directly write here. To determine y of 0.2, we know that h is equals to 0.1, x0 is equals to 0.1. Why 0.1? Students, understand this. To find y1, that is y of 0.1, your x is lies between 0 to 0.1. Now you have to find y of 0.2. So our x is lies between 0.1 to 0.2, because h is 0.1. So x1 is 0.1, x0 is 0, x1 is x0 plus h. So So x1 is 0.1 because x0 is 0, 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1. So x1 is 0.1 plus add 0.1 in this. So we will get x2, that is 0.2. Okay, students, understand this here. So here x0 is 0.1. Okay, and our y1 is nothing but for this interval is y0, and that is we have already calculated it, 2.2052. Okay, and so we have to find f of x0 y0 because we require in to find out formula k1 k2 k3 and k4. Okay, so this is y0 minus x0. Y0 is 2.2052 minus x0 is what? 0.1. So this is equals to 2.105. So our f of x0 y0 is 2.105. Now to determine k1 comma k2 k3 k4 as follows. Now to determine k1 comma k2 k3 as follows. K1 is equal to h into f of x0 comma y0. What is h is 0.1 and f of x0 y0 is 2.1052. So this is 0.2105. Now find out k2. K2 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. Okay, this is equals to 0.1 into your f of xy is y minus x. So this becomes y0 plus k1 upon 2 minus x0 minus h by 2. Okay, so this is equals to 0.1 into what is y0? Here y0 is this 2.2052 plus k1 is 0.2105, but here k1 upon 2, that value is 0.10525 minus x0 is 0.1 minus h by 2 is 0.05. So this is equals to 0.216045. So we get value of k2 is, okay, I will write down here 0.216045. Okay, this is value of k2. Now find out k3. K3 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 upon 2. Okay, so h is here 0.1 into f of x0 f of xy is y minus x. So this is y0 plus k2 upon 2 minus x0 minus h by 2. Okay, this is equals to 0.1 into what is y0? Y0 is 2.2052 plus k2 is here 0.216045. So k2 upon 2 is 0.1080 minus 0.1 minus 0.05. Okay, this is equals to 0.21632. Okay, so your k3 is 0.21632. Okay, now find out k4. K4 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Okay, this is equals to 0.1 into y0 plus k3 minus x0 minus h. This is equals to Now put all the values. So 0.1 into what is y0? Y0 is here 2.2052 plus 0.21632 minus 0.1 minus 0.1. This is equals to 0.22. Okay. So K4 is equals to 0.222. Okay. These are the values of K1, K2, K3, K4. Okay. Now our formula is y2 is equals to y2 means y of 0.2. That formula is y0 plus 1 by 6 into K1 plus K2 plus 2 into K2 plus 2 into K3 plus K4. Okay, this is equals to 2.2052 plus 1 by 6, 0.2105 plus 2 into 0.216045, okay, plus 2 into 0.21632 plus 0.2222. This is nothing but 2.4216. This is the value of y2, that is y of 0.2. Okay students, we will stop here. In next video we will see one more example based on Runge-Kutta formula of fourth order. Okay, thank you.